All right, today we're going to learn about one of the things that I think is one of the most important ideas in algebra, if not the most important, really in all of math, maybe, but probably not. I think that this idea of what a solution is super important for us to understand. But we're going to start with something a little bit different. I want you to go through each of these 10 statements here, and I want you to circle every one that's true, and I want you to put a line through each one of the statements that is false. So take a moment, pause the video, and look through each of those 10 statements, circle the true ones, line through the false ones. All right, welcome back from your pause. Let's take a look here. 5 equals 5. Well, yeah, that's true. 3 is greater than 7. Well, no, 3 is not greater than 7. 8 is greater than 2. Yeah, that's true. 8's a greater value than 2. 9 is equal to 4 plus 5. Let's see here. Does 4 plus 5 equal 9? It does, so that's true. 9 plus 4 equals 5. Well, that's not true, because that would say 13 is equal to 5, and that's definitely not true. So 9 plus 4 isn't true. 3 plus 2, that would be 5, is greater than negative 4. That's true. Yeah, sure. Let's see this next one. We've got 6 minus 7. Well, that would be negative 1. Is that equal to 14 minus 15? Yeah, because 14 minus 15 would be negative 1. So that's also true. So your 2 plus 3 times 5, we would have to do the 3 plus 5, or 3 times 5 first because of order of operations, right? 2 plus 15. 2 plus 15 is 17. Is 17 greater than 17? They're equal, but this statement says that 17 has to be greater than 17. So 2 plus 3 times 5 is not greater than 17, so that's actually a false statement. That one can be a little tricky. We've got 7 is less than negative 4. That would be a false statement. Very good. 3 plus x equals 5 is, this one's a little different, isn't it? This one is sometimes true, but sometimes it's not true. Think about, when would this statement be true? Well, 3 plus x equals 5 is true if what? If the value of x is 2, right? If what x is worth is 2, then this means 3 plus 2, which is 5, and that would be a true statement. But if the value of x is something else, if the value of x is even like 2.1, or negative 2, or 6, or 3, or 7, or 10, if the value of x is any value other than 2, then 3 plus x equals 5 is a false statement. Right? That ability to talk about statements that are sometimes true and sometimes false, and what values for the variable result in the statement being true is super important. It turns out that value, in this case 2, right? The value for the variable that would result in a true statement, all right? So 3 plus 2 equals 5 is a true statement. That particular value for the variable is called the solution, all right? In very informal language, so not mathy words, not things you would want to write on a test or a quiz to explain what a solution is, but we could say that the solution is the value that we'll oftentimes say that it makes the statement, I'm going to go way past the end of my quotes, statement true. All right, now when we say makes the statement true, really what we're saying is it's the value that when the variable is worth that amount, then the statement is true.